China's innovation power, the rise of a global technology giant. Imagine a country that can manufacture almost everything, from the smallest sewing needle to the largest cargo ship on Earth. A country responsible for producing nearly one-third of all manufactured goods worldwide. That country is China. While much of the world focuses on China's economic and military strength, another force is quietly reshaping the future: innovation. From artificial intelligence and quantum computing to renewable energy and space exploration, China is rapidly transforming itself into one of the world's most powerful technological nations. Some experts even believe that China's innovation ecosystem could redefine the global balance of power in the decades ahead. But how did China achieve this remarkable transformation? Let's find out. Rare earth minerals, the foundation of China's technological power. One of China's greatest advantages lies beneath its soil. Rare earth elements are essential components in modern technology. Smartphones, electric vehicles, advanced computer chips, wind turbines, and even stealth fighter jets all depend on these critical materials. Today, China dominates the global rare earth processing industry, controlling most of the world's refining capacity. This gives Beijing enormous influence over global supply chains and high-tech manufacturing. Many advanced economies, including the United States, depend heavily on Chinese rare earth supplies for their defense systems and green energy industries. China has turned these resources into a strategic advantage, helping fuel its technological rise while strengthening its position in global markets. Made in China 2025, a bold national vision. A decade ago, China launched an ambitious plan known as Made in China 2025. The goal was clear: transform China from the world's factory into a global innovation powerhouse. At the time, many Western analysts were skeptical. This system helps transform laboratory discoveries into commercial products at extraordinary speed. Unlike many countries where research and industry operate separately, China has created a tightly connected ecosystem that accelerates innovation and economic growth simultaneously. Shenzhen, the world's fastest innovation hub. If Silicon Valley symbolizes American innovation, Shenzhen represents China's innovation revolution. Once a small fishing village, Shenzhen has become one of the most technologically advanced cities on Earth. Engineers can move from concept to prototype in just days. Factories, suppliers, designers, and logistics companies operate within a highly integrated network. This allows Chinese companies to develop, test, and manufacture new products faster than almost anywhere else in the world. Whether it's smartphones, smart home devices, drones, or wearable technology, Shenzhen's manufacturing ecosystem enables rapid innovation at scale. The race for 5G and artificial intelligence. China is also leading the global race in next-generation communications. Chinese companies have secured thousands of patents related to 5G technology, helping build the infrastructure for future smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and advanced industrial automation. At the same time, China has emerged as one of the world's strongest competitors in artificial intelligence. Chinese technology giants have built massive digital ecosystems serving hundreds of millions of users. Every day, these platforms generate enormous amounts of data that help train AI systems. Facial recognition, language processing, predictive analytics, and intelligent automation are areas where Chinese researchers and companies continue to make significant progress. This combination of data, investment, and technological expertise is accelerating China's AI development at an unprecedented pace. Science meets business. China has also developed innovative ways to commercialize scientific discoveries. Universities and research institutions actively connect with private companies, allowing inventions to move quickly from laboratories to the marketplace. Patents and research breakthroughs are often licensed, auctioned, or transferred directly to businesses capable of scaling them into real-world products. This close collaboration between science and industry has generated billions of dollars in economic value while strengthening China's innovation ecosystem. The result is a system where scientific discoveries are not left on shelves. They become products, companies, and industries. Hefei, China's Science City One City, that perfectly demonstrates this model is Hefei. Known as China's Science City, Hefei has become a center for advanced research in quantum technology, fusion energy, and medical innovation. Local authorities actively invest in promising technologies while building entire industrial ecosystems around emerging companies. Researchers, entrepreneurs, investors, and manufacturers work closely together, creating a powerful environment for innovation. Many experts see Hefei as a blueprint for China's future scientific development, quantum computing, biotechnology, and supercomputers. China's ambitions extend far beyond consumer electronics. The country is investing heavily in quantum computing, a technology that could revolutionize computing power and cybersecurity. In biotechnology, Chinese scientists are advancing research in gene editing, stem cells, and medical treatments. China has also built some of the world's fastest supercomputers, capable of performing calculations at extraordinary speeds. These machines support scientific research, climate modeling, artificial intelligence development, and national security projects. Together, these investments are positioning China at the forefront of several transformative technologies: renewable energy and electric vehicles. As the world transitions toward cleaner energy, China has become a dominant force. The country manufactures a large share of the world's solar panels, lithium-ion batteries, and electric vehicles. Chinese companies have emerged as major competitors in the global EV market, challenging established international brands. Massive investments in green technology are helping China reduce costs, expand exports, and strengthen its leadership in renewable energy industries. For many observers, China's success in clean technology represents one of the most important economic shifts of the 21st century. Reaching for the stars. Perhaps the most exciting chapter of China's innovation story lies in space. Only a few decades ago, China was a minor player in space exploration. Only a few decades ago, China was a minor player in space exploration. Today, it operates its own space station, has landed spacecraft on the far side of the moon, and successfully sent missions to Mars. China has also developed BeiDou, its own satellite navigation system, providing an alternative to GPS. These achievements demonstrate not only technological capability, but also China's commitment to long-term strategic planning. Future projects include lunar research bases, deep space exploration missions, and even concepts for space-based solar power stations. If successful, these technologies could reshape humanity's future in space. Conclusion: China's rise as an innovation powerhouse is not the result of chance.